Breaking news, there's a faulty wiring system in a local middle school sets the fire alarms off. Many rush to safety on the nearby football field, and some go out the front entrance.
Are you fucking kidding me?
A fire truck is called in to assist, but they are unneeded as the school's not ablaze.
Yo, send me this video.
I don't think I can.
It's the worst day. This did not work.
I can't really see those. You come out.
I wish we could get closer.
You probably can get closer. Fire people.
But you can't see anything up there.
Basically a Monday. This is actually amazing. It's nice out here.
Come on, man. Ain't no way. Are you fucking serious? This is happening. Nah. I guarantee someone.
A local news reporter investigates as testimony is in abundance.
What is your opinion on the fire truck?
Definitely interesting. I feel bad for some people because I know someone who's coming back this hour. So it's just empty. I am curious what actually happened. But yeah, you should go ask them.
Oh, Thomas! What is your opinion on the fire truck coming to school?
Kind of wish I was in there for fire resistance, you know? Fire red. Yeah, to be like special. Also, goodbye.
Bye-bye. Alex, what is your opinion on the fire truck coming to school?
I don't know.
I have nothing.
Fucking
We're all gonna burn in hell.
What is your opinion on the fire truck coming to school?
It's not a drill.
No, it's the fire truck, you dummy.
Oh yeah, someone pulled it. Someone pulled the fire alarm.
Charles, what is your opinion on the fire truck coming to school?
I can't wait to see this hot fireman.
Okay. What is your opinion on the fire truck?
It's gay.
What? Aaron, what is your opinion on the fire truck coming to school?
I wish the school burned so we never go to school again.
The school did burn! The school did burn!
There you go.
Mira, what is your opinion on the fire truck?
I'm excited. Are they hot? Can you see them? I can't see them.
I can't really tell that well.
Because they're being too loud.
Oh crap!
That's just a...
The hundreds of school children watched as the fire truck pulls out of the parking lot, on to assist someone else in need. Many breathe a sigh of relief as the school was not set ablaze. School children continue their journey onto adulthood to pursue their careers.